I'm Shawn. I'm a stylist and makeup artist at the Spirit Spa on Hollis Street. Today I'm going to teach you how to curl hair with a flat iron and how to make soft waves. The hard part about curling your hair with a flat iron is the turning and pulling at the same time. Grab the hair, hold it firmly, turn the iron, and slightly pull away from the hair. Now we're ready to turn on some heat. Set your iron at 375 degrees. Grab your section of hair, clamp it, start to turn, and then you're going to grab the tail end of the hair without burning yourself, and then pull away from the head. Then you should have a nice curl at the end. So now that you can curl and straighten with your flat iron, you have two tools in one.